and then shoot when you are ready.
Today we are doing an Explore Bowhunting program.
All right.
It's to introduce archery and bow hunting to the general public.
1, 2, 3, turn it around.
We have a camo hide and seek game where kids can learn to use camo and hide from the animals in the woods.
You don't want the animals to find you, and if you make noise, they'll run away.
Then we do internal organ building. What we need in the stomach is anything that you think a deer might eat, so they can learn where the organs are in the animal, and then where do we want to actually place that shot with an arrow. When we shoot an animal, we want to be able to put it down ethically.
I did the stomach feed. We put in some corn, water, dirt, leaves, grass, and stuff. It was kind of cool.
We have an open 3D range so people can shoot at 3D animal targets.
Good job.
The game warden is here today with the Hall of Shame trailer talking about different animals that were illegally harvested.
So my job is to make sure that people follow the rules when they go hunting and fishing.
And the last thing we do is we skin and quarter an animal. When we talk to people, their biggest barrier was, if I shoot an animal, I don't know what to do with it. So we take away that barrier by demonstrating how to take the skin and get the meat off the animal once you get one down.
I was able to try out some wild game meat, and I was able to see the butchering of a dead deer. I like archery, and I thought it sounded cool, so I wanted to come over here and check it out, and it was a lot of fun.
We do about 4 or 5 events a year around the state at different state parks.
Go.
It is $0 to attend. Usually the only thing that you have to pay is your park entry fee. There's a lot of cool stuff for the kids to do out here.
Oh, good job. Good job.